If you want to learn how I was able to press this can malt without touching it, keep watching. This kind of effect is called telekinesis. Keep watching, guys. Let's do the tutorial together. Alright guys, this tutorial is also known as telekinesis. That was what I saw online, so I had to make research and then I came up with this. So if you want to learn how I was able to do that, keep watching, guys. It's very easy. Not be magic, na editing. Not be magic or abeg, na editing. So let's get right into it. So you get empty can. As you can see, my hand cannot touch it except I stretch, right? So I don't want to stretch. I want it to look as if I am moving it from here, something like that. Do you understand? So let's do that now. Something like this. You do something like this, as if you are squeezing it. You see what I'm doing? So when you are done doing this, you do another video. This is the second video you need to do of you. The first time you are going to press it. You leave it. You leave the video. After you press it, come back again and press it. Leave the camera. Don't be there. Don't stay there. When you press, you leave. Then you come again. You press it again and you leave the camera. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You press and you leave. You come again. You press it and you leave. Hope you are following. No, this is how they do it. You press and you leave. Then you come again. You press and you leave. So guys, this is just the tutorial, like all that you need to do. First video, start demonstrating. Second video, press and go, press and go, press and go. You can do it how many times you want. And then when you are done, the next thing to do is to go to Capcut and do the editing. So come with me, guys. Let's do that together. I'm going to click on the Capcut app. Click on it. Then click on new projects. And then click on, you are going to import the video where I was sitting and demonstrating with my hand. You get? So I'm going to import that particular video now. So this is the video. I'll click on add. And after clicking on add, then I'll click on overlay. Click on add overlay. And then I'm going to import the second video where how you saw me when I was using my hand to press the can, go back, come back again like that. So guys, this is a video, 57 seconds. I'll click on it and then I'll click on add. So this is the video. This is the video. So let me just silence the sound. So guys, the next thing you need to do now is to click on this second one here that you just overlaid. Click on it and then make it fit to screen, just like this. After doing that, the next thing we are going to do is I want to review the other part. That is my other self. You get? I want to review it. So click on this overlay and then swipe to the right hand side and search for mask. Search for mask. This is mask. Click on mask and then click on horizontal. Then turn it so that the other part will start showing. Turn it just like this. So you can do what to work with this arrow to make the horizontal line not to be visible. To make it invisible. Okay, something like this is okay. Just shift it a bit. So after doing this, guys, the next thing we click on the check sign. The next thing we are going to do is this. We are going to start playing the video. You see anywhere I'm showing, anywhere you see me show, you remove that part. So I'll click on this one here, click on it, then click on split and remove the part I was showing. You see, immediately I leave, you stop and you click on split again. Then click on this other part that that was showing here, like this. Remember, we are working with the overlay. We are not working with the first one more. After you are done, you don't have any business with that first one again. It's the second one you are working with. So you are going to delete this other part. Click on delete. So after deleting that other part, the next thing we are going to do is this. Long press on this one here and use it to cover the space long press and use it to cover the space. Make sure it's very close to the other one, like exactly. So I'm going to search for the other part where I came again to press the this is it. So you see me pressing it, right? So immediately I came, we are going to split it. Okay, so we are going to split from here, split, and then okay, I just left now, so I'm going to click on split again, split, and I will delete this other part where I was showing. So click on it and then delete. So we are going to long press on this one and shift it again, just like this. So I'm going to search for the other part where I came. This is the other part. I'll click on it, then click on split and search. Okay, I just left now, so I'll click on split again. So I'm going to delete this other part that I came to press the can. So I'll click on it and then delete. So I'll click on this one and then long press on it and drag it mind you, for the sake of this tutorial, you can do well to reduce the speed of this first one. So if you click on it, click on speed, click on normal, then go back and it will get longer than the original size you get. So you can see that it's already longer, right? So this is it. Okay, so guys, let's play this and see. Let's see the results. So hope you can see this. So if you want to start, first of all, make sure you video the empty can without you touching it. Just video it like that. Guys, this is exactly how it is done. This is how it is done. It is very, very easy. Who is going to try this out? So when you are making your video, do it to always make sure your tripod is stable. Don't move your tripod till you are done filming. Leave it in one particular place, and make sure you also film your the empty can before you start pressing it. Make sure you film it first before you start pressing it. Don't just start pressing it, film it first for like 1 minute or no, for like 30 seconds before you start pressing. Do you get? So guys, that is all for this video. Please do it to like this video, do it to share, do it to subscribe, do it to follow, do it to comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.